Welcome to this comprehensive course on Material Requirements Planning, or MRP Essentials by Lean Strategies International, LLC. My name is Cameron Hansen, and I will be helping guide you through a deep understanding of MRP. MRP has been implemented in organizations seeking to manage inventory as well as reduce and remove waste from their operations for a long time now. You may have heard of different iterations like MRP, MRP1, MRP2, and ERP. The many different evolutions of MRP are a powerful testament to its continued usefulness in different organizations. As the world has evolved and transformed from a push-oriented environment to more demand-driven pull systems, MRP is still used widely today. As with any course created by Lean Strategies International, LLC, in this course you will learn all the foundational information needed to test your knowledge with interactive quizzes and be challenged to go and apply your new skills with regards to material requirements planning. That's right. You will not only gain knowledge, but you will be able to take that knowledge and use it with your experience too. The Material Requirement Planning Essentials course pulls from a variety of resources so that you learn foundational concepts of material requirements planning and can go and apply the different techniques outlined in your MRP system. MRP systems help you focus on managing and building inventory that is needed rather than trying to guess. In short, it is a set of techniques that uses the bill of material data, inventory data, and the master production schedule to calculate what is needed for dependent requirements. This in turn allows you to realize improved production efficiency, reduced purchasing costs, better control over inventory, and help prevent bottlenecks that may occur in production. That's right, after learning how MRP systems work, you will be better equipped to harness the full power of your MRP system. With that in mind, you will learn about the prerequisites of what makes material requirements planning system, what it takes to use and understand MRP, as well as core concepts like planned orders and firming, planning horizons, and tips and tricks to keep your system running clean. We look forward to sharing the essential knowledge with you. With that being said, check out the free previews, look around at the description, and click on the enroll button today, and let's get started with the essentials of material requirements planning that will bring you solutions and ignite your power today.